Hey folks, if you possess skills, you can monetize them with the power of freelancing. If you have the skill, companies are waiting for you to give you work, to give you services. In these difficult times of COVID, it is essential that you learn how to monetize your skills. Whatever skill set you have, you can write some good content, you can develop some website, you are a tech person, you are a programming person, you are a digital marketer, you have a whole lot of business for you as a freelancer. So if freelancing is something you're looking forward to, then this video is for you. Welcome guys to this particular video all about on freelancing. Freelancing is an activity through which you can monetize your skills. Freelancing is a win-win situation for everybody in the whole system. Businesses like small businesses, medium businesses, they need to get the work done. So they may not have the potential to really hire the qualified and the technical experts to get the job done as an employee. So what they do is they normally outsource the activity to freelancers. And you as a freelancer can grab these opportunities, can grab these work at a cost which is being set and determined by you, and start leveraging on your skills and start earning money with everything what you know. Now to start freelancing, you first need to be good at what you do, the kind of skills, so you can always keep sharpening your skills and you can fix your niche. You can go narrow into your niche, that what are the exact skill set or what kind of people you can help. For example, in case you are good at writing content, so you can be a content writer. Suppose you are good at writing sales copy, so you can be a copywriter. You're good in digital marketing, you're good in SEO, you're good in creating amazing graphics for people, a 3D graphics, you are good at Photoshop, you know Photoshop well. So all these skills are in demand. So what I would like to share with you in this video today is that how to start your career as a freelancer and what benefit you can get right now, because it's a COVID situation and the platform which I'm going to recommend you is specially dedicated for you at this particular COVID moment. The platform is inviting you to join, and I'm going to share more about this in this video. So the platform I would recommend you to start your freelancing work is called Ifreelanced. So let me just take you to my screen and show you all the features and everything what I want to share with you. And in case you are coming to this channel for the first time, I would like you to hit the subscribe button, and if you like this video, press the thumbs up button and share it with other people you know, other students you know, other people you know, teachers you know, anybody you know. Sharing a copy of this video to everybody you know. So let's begin. So I would like to recommend you a platform which is called Ifreelanced platform. Now Ifreelanced is a global marketplace. It is a marketplace which is omnipresent. It is with every country. Any country you're watching this, you're watching in India, you're watching outside India. This platform is a global platform. Now how everything works on this platform, let me just show you what kind of assignments you can pick up and start monetizing with what you know. You come to this homepage, ifreelance.com. You're able to see the homepage. I'm looking for what kind of things you're looking for. Are you looking for jobs to do? Are you looking for freelancers, like you're an employer and you're looking for freelancers? Or you as a freelancer looking for employers, or you as an employer looking for services? So you need to just choose the appropriate category, or else you can just go ahead, scroll it down and come to this particular page, trending categories. See, these are all trending categories. There are multiple categories available, and just open that for you. Like digital marketing, it's a big category to be in. So in case you happen to be a part of the digital marketing industry, which is a very big industry and all, but even if the small sets to it, like you are an SEO guy, so you are an SEO expert, you can always go ahead and launch yourself as an SEO expert. You are good at ranking the website, so you know about Google algorithm, you can help people with trending topics and all. You have a business to make here. Writing and translation, of course, translation is in demand. Do you know French? Do you know German? Do you know Spanish? You have a business here. Video and animation, amazing niche. Every company wants videos for their projects. Every company wants to have a corporate video or a professional video done, and Video making is not easy. Video making is a skill set which you can learn. In case you know it already, you have a business to make. Music and audio, many things here you can create. Programming and tech, very big niche. Business, all the elements of a business, because business is a big machinery. So every small set of elements require you as a freelancer to work for a company and complete the project. Fun and lifestyle. You go to this explore categories, view all, and you'll be able to see everything. I'll just show you how it looks like in this case. Data entry and emailing. Per hour rate is $5 to $10. That means if you are somebody who is ready to do a data entry work, you can command $5 to $10 for 1 hour. $5 in Indian rupees, you convert it, it becomes around 350 rupees. So 350 rupees an hour, or maybe 700 rupees an hour. So you can just think in those lines and pick up whatever your project is coming in. You can see document translation, English to Spanish. Now the people are looking for this kind of a job. People have English content, they want to convert it to Spanish content. The cost is whatever the content they give to you, you just translate it for once. You charge $10 to them. Accounting services, sales related services. Then you have website to be fixed. See, this $100 to $250. There's a problem in the website. You are an expert. You know some plugins to be added to the website, and you have a business to make. So this is an amazing platform for everybody who wants to really start their freelancing job. Now, what benefit you will get after what benefit you will get by watching this particular video, and my recommendation for you is that if you want to start your freelancing career, and right now when we are meeting today in the situation of COVID, and I'm making this video from my home, I want to share with you how to take the best advantage of this particular platform. So let me just log into my account and show you what is there for you in store. And this will be applicable for you till the time we have a solution for COVID. So the discount, the voucher, everything what I'm sharing with you now will be applicable till the time we are out from this COVID situation, or a vaccine is formed successfully. Now I have just created a test account on Ifreelanced.com. I have my other account also. I'm just want to show you how you have to do it. You just simply visit the URL and click for sign up, follow the instruction, get the OTP done and everything. Then I want you to come to this particular icon where you can have the choices of packages, and I want to tell you how exactly you can get the benefit. Now Ifreelanced works on the package mode. Now these are the packages that, because you want to offer your services using the Ifreelanced portal. So these are the packages which you can use and get entry into this freelancing world. So if you just need 1 credit, you can pay $2 for 7 days of time. You will get 1 credit. You can apply for a job in 7 days of time, 30 days, and all these plans are given out. Now basic, pro, all these plans are given to you. Okay. Now let's understand the basic plan and how the company is going to give you the benefit as a freelancer. Basic is a good place to start. This is your introduction to the global marketplace. Put your best forward, but don't overpromise. Of course, be fair and open, as trust is the most important element in this business. What I want you, everybody, till the time this COVID situation is not getting corrected, start your work as a freelancer. Go to this particular plan called Basic, which is like $4.95 a month. Go to buy now option, just say add it to cart, and use this particular coupon which I'm going to share with you now. Go to click to enter your code and enter like this: free basic. Free space basic is the code you need to use. The moment you apply the code, you are only and only required to pay ₹0. So the company is giving you 100% waiver on the joining fees on a basic $4.95 plan, on which you will get all the benefits. So I want you to sign up today on ifreelanced.com and start your freelancing gig. Start your first gig today. Upload your profile, upload your picture, let the world know that what all skills you possess. Set up your own pricing and let the companies come to you. Find a good work, do the good work for them. Don't over promise that you will be doing it in 12 hours of time or 24. No, take your time the way you should be doing the best thing for them. You should not be doing any kind of substandard work. Do a quality work for the company, because the companies trust you, because you are on ifreelanced.com. And so respect the marketplace also, respect your position also. As you do the good work, you're going to attract a lot of feedback from the customers, and those feedbacks will give you more work to come in. So in this COVID situation, use your skills, monetize your skills, get into the freelancing journey. Start with ifreelanced.com. Thank you very much. If you have any queries related to this platform or any kind of freelancing activities, just drop your message below this video and I'll be happy to answer you. Thank you. Bye bye. God bless.